Next, we're going to learn where our fingers live on the flute. We've got the flute put together, the head joint, the body, and the foot joint. And for brand new beginners on flute, I find that it's very helpful to mark the places where fingers do not belong. So I'm going to show you how we do that. On the flute, we're going to start with the left hand, and when my hand is in position, you'll notice that there are a couple of keys that don't have a finger. And it just so happens that these particular keys don't ever have a finger. The fingers don't move to those holes. Those tone holes are attached to other keys, and so they're sort of helper keys. So what I want to do is I want to create for myself a little reminder system about which keys do not have fingers. So the first one, if I'm looking at my flute, I have the flute maker here, the tone hole here. The very first key that I come to in the main line, not at the back, at the main line of keys, that a finger does not live there. So I'm going to put a sticker. And then if I move down a little bit further, I'm having troubles with my stickers here. I should have prepped a little more on the stickers perhaps. All right, so I've got my sticker here. My pointer finger lives here, so I'm going to not put a sticker there. And then I'm going to put another sticker here because this one does not have a permanent resident. Okay, so when you look at your flute now, you should have a sticker on the tiny key, and then skip one, and then another sticker on the next key. And then the fingers just follow in line. Pinky gets his own special side key here. So no finger, finger, no finger, 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 pinky gets the special key. That's left hand. When I'm holding the flute correctly, this knuckle is hugging, hugging, hugging around the flute. Your first finger hugs the flute at all times. A very loving first finger. Very loving. They're constantly hugging, hugging, hugging. So the first finger is going to hug around the flute, and then the other fingers are going to find their place there. We'll talk about thumb later. Are you ready to put stickers on the foot joint? Trick question, because we're not going to do that. You don't even need stickers for the foot joint. It's so easy. I'll show you why. We're going to start with pinky. And pinky lives on the uppermost key of foot joint, which is our half moon key. If we put pinky on half moon, then the rest of the fingers just line up right in a row. And ta-da, right hand is finished. So starting from scratch, again, starting from nothing, skip one, first finger, skip one, second finger, third finger, pinky over here. Starting from half moon key, finger, 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 and now everything is where it belongs on your flute.